What is it, 1994? Or 8 or something? Yeah, I've always wanted to do this, Eli. I've always wanted. Everybody, here I am, Jim Harris. Jim Harris here. Today, we're looking at the 1998 Skyline, the company that made the Datsun, the 240, the 260, the 280, all in the cubic inch of something phenomenal. Something accusing, you know? It's kind of the inline 6-cylinder in front of you, and they run forever, and there's carburetors, and it's just beautifully set. Well, that used to be Datsun. Now we have this. Turbo. None of those 240s, 60s, and 80s had any to do with turbos. Of course, it's right-hand drive. Didn't come to North America, but that doesn't matter at all. Once you sit in here, be your North American seating position. Usually on something like a Ford or anything American made, you would see a lot of buttons and things to hit accidentally when you're getting your coffee. This, come see. Thanks very much for the trip. Oh, I forgot there was a steering wheel, but not. Right-hand drive. So, if you want to buy a Peugeot, this era, something around 94, 98, Peugeot, you won't get them in North America, but I wouldn't be surprised if it kicked a little bit of rear end off this car. And that's the Peugeot 503, by the way. I get paid for that once in a while, eh? Alright then. Watch this, everyone. Come. My latest project. Let's remove the broom. Like a clean shop. Cameraman. Skyline rear end bumper. Cameraman. Can you focus on more of the... There we go. Thank you, Eli. Now, I would put some clear... I would take the black out, put some clear epoxy on here. From the back, I would drill a few holes, probably toenail style, just so we don't see the screws being embedded in here. Now, then, LED lights, this thing will light up like a sky line. As you can tell, being at home or in my buddy's shop for lockdown for God knows a little bit too much than I can take. So anybody else out there, if you want to share some ideas, I've got one today. Tomorrow, let's make another one. I mean, the sky's the limit. Skyline, best car.